Howdy folks! For today's video we have another lost and found video, and this video that was deleted by YouTube a while back is, well, basically I had a bunch of questions and comments about how to cast hollow point bullets and to avoid some of the pitfalls and frustrations. And so I made a video a while back about tips and tricks, things I've learned to help in hollow point casting. So YouTube deleted that video, of course, and so today's lost and found video is that video of hollow point casting tips and tricks. And I hope that video can help some of you out there who are having some frustrations with hollow point casting, and maybe you've seen some people on YouTube cast some awesome hollow points, and then when you've tried it, you've had some issues. But here's an example of one of my hollow point 44 mags. And actually, I'm going to be doing a start to finish video like my old stuff featuring this bullet. Probably I'll get around to finishing the editing next week, so look forward to that. I will probably not be able to host it on YouTube because of their rule changes on showing casting and reloading. So I will have a link and maybe an abbreviated version of the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about without showing any of the casting and loading. So check out the link below to watch the video, the old one, about hollow point bullet casting tips and tricks. Catch you later.